Hey guys, this is Theo, and welcome to Responsive Web Design Certification on Free Code Camp Introduction to the Applied Visual Design Challenges. So it says visual design and web development is a broad topic. It combines typography, color theory, graphics, animation, and page layout to help deliver a site's message. The definition of good design is a well-discussed subject with many books on the theme. At a basic level, most web content provides the user with information. The visual design of the page can influence its presentation and a user's experience. In web development, HTML gives structure and semantic to page content, and CSS controls the layout and appearance of it. This section covers some of the basic tools developers use to create their own visual designs. So let's go ahead and go to the first lesson. So, applied visual design, create visual balance using the text align property. So this text align property can basically allow us to define on what side of the screen or what side of the sort of element we want our text to be aligned to. So align the H4 tag's text, which says Google, to the center. Then justify the paragraph tag, which contains the information about how Google was founded. So here we want to say text align, and we want to say center. We can sort of see it's in the center. And now for this paragraph, we can say text align, and we can say justify. We can sort of see that it's going to be spread out there a little bit more, justified. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Go to the next challenge. Adjust the width of an element using the width property. So we've looked at this before in basic CSS, but add a width property to the entire card. So right here, we can write a rule that says width, and we want to give it a width of 245 pixels. And you can sort of see nicely it's sort of collapsed. It's taken upon itself that width. Okay, let's run the test. Good to go. Now let's give it a height, and we're going to give it a height of 25 pixels. So we can write a rule here. We can say height 25 pixels. So we can sort of see it's taken up some more space now, and this is moved down. Good to go. Number 3, use the strong tag to make text bold. Wrap a strong tag around the Stanford University inside the P tag. So we can find our P tag, and here it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a strong tag. Strong, and inside of here we're going to put that, and we can sort of see it's taken on the font weight bold property. And strong, it just needs to go around Stanford University. So we can give that, take that right there, remove that, fix that, and what did I do wrong? That needs to go there. Good to go. Should wrap around the word Stanford University. At Stanford. Should wrap around the. Should be inside the P tag. Okay, it is. Let me just reset this. Maybe something got messed up here. So we can say strong and strong. Run this one more time. All right, cool. All right, number four, use the U tag to underline the text. So this is equivalent to text decoration underline. So wrap the U tag only around the text PhD students. Okay, so we can see we can find PhD students, and here we go, U, and we can sort of see we've underlined just that. Good to go to number 4, and number 5, use the M tag to italicize the text. So this is equivalent to saying font style italic. So should wrap around the contents of the P tag, but not the P tag itself. Okay, so we're going to take around the contents of the paragraph. So we're going to take this, and we're going to say EM, right there, place that in there, and let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Alright guys, so that was lesson 1 here on Free Code Camp, Responsive Web Design Certification, Applied Visual Design. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys in the next lesson on Applied Visual Design. Use the S tag to strike through text. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.